In this video, I'll show you how to set up Face ID on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, 16 Plus, Pro Max, any models. So the first step is to go in Settings. Once you're in Settings, go down this menu until you see Face ID Passcode. Tap on this. Once you're over here, you'll need to set up Face ID. Click on this. Now it's time to actually show your face to your iPhone so it's able to recognize it next time you want to unlock your phone. So I'll go ahead and press Get Started. Alright, that's my face. Look at the camera there. And now we're going to rotate your face. You see those green lines? It means that it's scanning. Rotate it clockwise, anti-clockwise once until it tells you this message over here. Use Face ID with a mask. If you plan wearing a mask and you want Face ID to work, you absolutely need to do the second step over here. If not, your iPhone won't recognize your face if you're wearing a mask. In my case, I don't plan wearing any mask, so I'll click over here. Don't use Face ID with a mask. Face ID is now set up. You get that green check mark and gonna press Done. Now it's time to enter a passcode for your iPhone if you don't already have one. This means that if the iPhone is not able to unlock your phone using Face ID, it will need a backup code. So therefore, you need to set up a passcode in case Face ID fails. In my case, I'll just use this easy passcode. Obviously, don't do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Use anyway. You'll need to reconfirm it. Okay, wait a few seconds. And here we go. We're on this page. Now you have a few options. It will tell you where do you want to use Face ID. And this is up to you to choose. It's a preference. So you can use it to unlock your phone, like most people. You can use it on iTunes and App Store to pay for new apps that you want to download. You can do contactless and payments every time you use your credit card that are stored in your iPhone and you pay at the store. It will ask you for Face ID. So you can turn this on and off depending if you want to have this additional security measure. And finally, you have password autofill. So when you're browsing the internet and you're logging into a website, do you want your iPhone to ask your Face ID every time? This way, you're a bit more protected. Not even if somebody steals your phone, won't be able to sign in different websites with your credentials. Well, keep this on. Now, if you go down here, you're going to have set up an alternate appearance. What does this mean is if you expect to change your look completely and you want your iPhone to still recognize you, let's say you know that you're going to wear sunglasses with, I don't know, some makeup that will change your face considerably, well, you can register one of your second face. I know that sometimes when it's very sunny and I'm wearing big sunglasses, sometimes Face ID has trouble. So maybe I'll do this for when I wear sunglasses. But again, this is up to you. And if you notice that Face ID is not reliable, I suggest you click on this and register a new face. Finally, you have Face ID with the mask. We didn't do it. This is why it's turned off. And finally, we have Reset Face ID. In case, let's say your appearance changed completely or you don't want to use this feature anymore, maybe it's not reliable in your case, you can simply click on Reset Face ID and that's all. Your face will be forgotten by the iPhone. You'll have to reset it up the way we just did a few seconds ago if you want to use this feature again. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below. Check my affiliate Amazon links if you want to get a case, maybe a portable battery for your iPhone 16. This supports my channel and I'll see you in the next video.